Hello guys and welcome back to Go Invest channel. Don't forget to click the thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell if you guys are new here. Today I'm going to talk and show you guys how to start dropshipping business and make money. Firstly, I'm going to tell you guys what is dropshipping and how it works. Here you go guys. From this picture, the first one is you get order from a customer and get paid through online transaction. The second one is you inform to the supplier the product needed and pay wholesale price of the product. The third one is the supplier will ship the product with your brand name and keep track on the shipment to make sure it is perfectly arrived to your customer. Awesome, right? Because you don't have to keep any goods or products in stock. You don't have to meet your customers and you don't have to pay for shipping and keep track. Alright guys, the things needed to open a dropshipping business is search for business that provides dropshipping in social media like Facebook and Instagram. Let me show you guys how to do it. You will get lots of business accounts that you guys want to dropship like makeup items, watches, clothing, shoes and more. But you have to be very particular that some are free and some that cost you money. So it is always better to go for the free ones because you don't have to pay anything to get the supplier. So let me show you how. This is my phone. Just go to Instagram. It's my account. Go invest if you guys can. Click a follow button. Alright, go to the search button, click search. For an example, now you guys are choosing want to do watch dropship. So you just type here watch dropship and you get a lot of pages that which does watch dropship. So what you do is you just click one of the account, or you want to click every account also no problem. You just click one of the account and you send them a message. You send them a message saying that I'm really interested to do dropshipping with you. Is it possible? So they will send you all kind of instructions and you have to make sure whether it is free or not, because some they will say it's free and some will cost you money. Alright, then the things needed to open a dropshipping business is how to sell it. The first thing you guys need to know before selling is know your calculation. For an example, before you guys selling things or stuff or a product, go to websites like Facebook store or Instagram store or Shopify, Shopee, Lazada, any type of social media, and you go and compare the price with them. Are they selling higher or are they selling cheaper? Because the higher you go, people will never come and buy from you because they will always go for the cheap one because there are a lot of competitors out there. So what you guys do is, for an example, you are getting the product for 30 ringgit, but in Lazada and all those they are selling it for 30 ringgit, so their profit will be 10 ringgit. So in order to compete with them, maybe you can sell it for 25 ringgit or 26 ringgit. So you will get a rough profit of 6 ringgit. Then create a business account and post every day with the details and price of the product in social media like Instagram, Facebook, Lazada, Shopee and more. And also post customer feedbacks in social media like Facebook and Instagram to build trust in customer or other people who just visited your business account. Moreover, do paid ads and discount annually to gain more customers, and also customer service is one of the important thing in dropshipping business. So communicate with customers instantly right after they message or call, because people don't like waiting. That's normal, guys, that's obvious. And say thank you for support for every customer's purchase. Alright guys, these are the points to follow to make money and have a successful dropshipping business, and anyone at any age can do this as part-time or full-time business. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more videos.